Cory in Idaho. This is your RCI39VHP. I've got the striker star Bryte rings behind the metal knobs like you wanted. Okay, and you can turn them on and off with a channel 19 switch. Okay, so if they start to bug you or get too bright or whatever, you can just flip them off right there. All right, the way I did this, you can see where all of them run in here, and I ran the wire along the loom, and then I put a standoff in there. Okay, so all the wires connect to the standoff. I've got one wire going out to ground right here. Okay, the other one picks up 12 volts off the bottom of the PC board on this side and runs the 12 volts switched to that terminal right there. Okay, now the one for your channel selector is basically just floating in there. There's nothing behind it or whatever, but it just slides around on the knob. It doesn't move. Okay, so all right, and then the LESCOM mods I did, upgraded your voltage regulator buffer filter to a 3300. It was a 1000. All right, and then the DC input buffer filter we upgraded to a 3300 from a 1000, or actually it was a 2200. There's your Palomar Max mod. And no, folks, I don't have any more Palomar Max mods. Cory ordered his radio quite a while ago when I had plenty of them. And like I told you guys, when you order a custom radio build like this, I always put all of the stuff with the radio so that I'm sure that I have it when I get ready to build your custom radio. Because these things have been unavailable now for months. Lesco is importing more of them, but Palomar has been out of them for literally months. Okay, now I've got to tie these back up. I was waiting on the geez, what do you call that stuff? The Loctite. I was waiting on the Loctite to dry. Okay, upgraded your first RF amp. He's now a 2SC2999. Upgraded the filter with a 15 kilohertz wide filter. Since this radio doesn't have FM, it's just an AM only radio, pretty radio. Okay. I was going to tie these into your dimmer switch, but all the lights off the dimmer switch work on 8 volts, and these require 12. So that's why the on-off switch is there. So if you need to dim the lights on the radio, you're just going to have to cut these off. Alrighty. I'm going to put the covers back on it. Alright, more to come. Okay, there's your CP1. Okay, there she is, all put back together. Now, let's see what it does on power. I've got the RF power turned all the way up now. Alright. I have a, what is that, 100 there, and a 100 there. The meter on the right is reading peak power. The meter on the left is reading RMS power. Okay, the peak reading meter is set to ×1. I'm on channel 20, and of course the radio is an AM radio. Oh, wait, yep, if I turn the switch in the right place. Okay, looks like we're dead key in 20 watts. Hello audio, audio 1 2 1 2 audio. I think I just reached over there and touched 100 on the peak meter. audio, audio, audio. Okay, and then I can turn it all the way down to about, what is that, 2 watts? Hello, audio, audio, 1, 2, audio. These little RCI made radios, Ranger made radios, they have a lot of swing in them. Okay. So we are done. Turn RF power back up. But if you're running it into an amplifier, turn it all the way counterclockwise and you'll be fine. It does about 2 watts that way. Just remember, if these go to bothering you, hit the channel 19 button and cut them off. I figure that channel 19 switch is just an extra switch to do other things with anyway. Cory, I sure hope you enjoy your new radio. It was my pleasure to set it up for you. 7-3, everybody.